Hey, Missoula business owners, this is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and we empower small businesses to succeed online, and we do that by simplifying all this digital marketing stuff. I want to invite you to a special workshop presented by the Chamber of Commerce on this Wednesday, July 18th, okay, from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., and it's presented by myself and Amanda Reed from Reed Mobile Marketing. What we're going to be talking about is an intro to mobile marketing, basically how to reach people where they are, which is on their smartphones. Okay, the stuff that we're going to be teaching is the stuff that every small business owner needs to start capitalizing on now. The future is now. 80 to 90% of your clients are looking at you on their smartphones, not on computers, not on print, not on postcards, not on any of this stuff that you're probably spending a lot of time, energy, and money on right now. Okay, this is going to be a game changer for a lot of businesses that are still working in the past. Okay, a big shift is happening right now, and the people that jump on this are going to have a huge advantage over the competition, and they're going to defend themselves, secure their spots. If there's some sort of like economic correction or any kind of major change in the economy, the people that are on the mobile bandwagon that are doing stuff with the smartphones are going to be the leaders. Okay, they're going to be the survivors. So I highly recommend you join us, like I said, Wednesday, July 18th from 11:30 to 1. Okay, this is going to be all basic stuff. We're going to have hands-on real world strategies that are working right now. Please do not miss this. Okay, and it's $10 for chamber members. It's $25 for non-members. There's a button below this video. Please click on it, sign up, and I will see you then.